Action News Jax Logan McDonald is live outside of JSO headquarters. And Logan, investigators identified the baby because of advancements in DNA technology.
And that DNA evidence is now going to be a critical part of this case over a decade after the child's skeletal remains were found in the yard of an Alabama trailer home.
They have to determine whether or not there are indications in those remains of brutal treatment, a fractured skull, a bullet wound, something of that nature, which presents in the actual fractured skeleton.
Investigators say autopsy results show that Amore Wiggins suffered over 15 individual fractures with one in one of the girl's eye sockets, which investigators believe left her blind in that eye. They also suspect she was severely malnourished. Action News Jax law and safety expert and former FBI agent Dale Carson says while these revelations will be critical evidence to the case, suspect interviews will be the most vital component to winning a conviction. During a press conference earlier today, Opelika Police Department officials said Lamar Vickerstaff was interviewed and wouldn't identify his daughter to investigators when they told him his daughter was found dead.
The result of his interface recently with law enforcement would tend to indicate possible guilt. But remember, just because he's been accused of a crime or arrested for a crime does not mean he committed the crime.
Carson also says in a case like this with two defendants, Ruth Vickerstaff for the charges of failure to report a missing child and Lamar Vickerstaff on murder charges, one almost always turns on the other, something that could play a key role in the prosecution for this case. For local coverage you can count on live outside of JSO headquarters, Logan McDonald, Action News Jax.